So hello guys, here is a quick update on redirect too many times. You may happen to come across this page because we're doing an update, so we're doing some work on a server and the system kind of jumps and you get this page. Now there is two ways to solve this problem. One is if you wait or close and open your browser and you wait a few seconds, usually the system resets itself and brings you back the website. If it doesn't, the other option that you have is to clean your cookies, okay, as the image as the screen says, clean your cookies, try clean your cookies. Now this on Google Chrome, so here is how you clean your cookies on Chrome, okay. All you do is you click on these three dots, or the beef burger, used to call the beef burger, but now it's the three dots, used to be three lines, so you click on that, and you go to settings, okay, then you scroll down and you go to show advanced settings, okay, clear browsing data, okay, click on that, make sure cookies are clean, ticked, and your cached is ticked as well, okay. So clean both, because if it's a site being updated, you want to get the latest possible version. Now if you don't want to lose any other cookies that you saved in the past, so just select clean for the past hour, okay. Click clean browsing data, you wait a few seconds, you clean them, then if you go back, it should automatically reload. If it doesn't, just click reload. Now on Firefox, so if you got the same problem in Firefox, so you open Firefox. If you're using Firefox, let me just bring it here to the screen, and here is how to clean the cookies on Firefox. So on Firefox, again, you get the beef burger up the top there, you can see the three lines, you click on it, you go to options, okay, then you go to privacy, you go to privacy, it's not under privacy, so it's applications, security, who is that? Kind of lost. There you go, so it's under privacy, so I was correct the first time. So there you go, it's under privacy. You also want to clear all current history, okay? Now I set my never remember history, so that's why it's not showing. So if I select remember history, okay, restart Firefox now, revert now, so I don't want to remember. So, but if yours is select remember history, you can see you will have two links, okay? Clear recent history, remove individual cookies. So maybe you want to do is clear all, okay? Now in Firefox, because I'm using it for research, so mine is turned off, but yours is turned on by default, okay, under privacy, okay. There you go. So here is how to clean your cookies in case you get to the Traffic Express or any other website. Once we do updates, so we're doing this update to the site live, and you can get that warning or that notice, basically, okay. Can get this notice, so this can happen in any website. So there you go, guys. Easy to clear up and get you back on the website as quick as possible. So once again, I'm Zenuns. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye bye for now.